please, don't go, don't go.
Hey boy,
Who is that? I hear you. Who is that?
do you want to know what real love is? Then you can watch this video. Maybe it can help you.
Sweetie.
Hey boy, welcome back to What Is This, which is powered by Vex Entertainment. I know I'm not going to give you a total introduction crap. I know why you're here, so I don't want to make you boring. So, we are talking about the love. And this love is actually, I'm not going to talk about in my perception. This is purely based on what a girls think about a love. So I know most of girls is not going to agree with me, but I believe still some girls actually thinks like this. So let's get started. So love is something which we cannot express in words. Love we can actually express in many kind of ways. That is what actually love is, because and also the love is not just a love between a girl or a boy. It can be like anything. It can be a relationship between a husband and wife, and also it can be a relationship between a parent and his daughter or son, or also a brother and sister relationship, and also we can see it love in friendship. If you look around the world, we can actually get love because love is something is most valuable than money, and which we can buy from money. So in a brief, actually love is in everywhere you can see love, and love is the only thing which you can buy from money. Any I know that you can definitely buy a lot of things with money, because that is what you are also thinking. Like you can see about Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and all other rich peoples, like they are happy or not. I'm not talking about all kind of stuff, but love is something is special. It is a emotion and its feelings. Also, it cannot be expressed in just a words like I love you. It doesn't mean anything. If you love someone, you need to feel them, or you need to make them that how you can love them actually. That can be a physical contact, or also the words, and also the many kind of thing, because when they actually need them, you need to be there with them. That is actually the main meaning of the love. So now the major question part. What is actually love, right? I know it can be crazy, like many of them have a different kind of opinions. But what I say is love is actually, we are in a relationship, we need to be trust each other. Trust is the major thing which we need to know about when you are in a relationship, because trust is a fragile thing. It's fragile things where easily we can actually make it break. Once it was broken, you definitely not going to get it back, right? Also the mutual understanding between a two person, because the understanding is one of the best key ever. Like even you are in a friendship, you know that he knows that what I am thinking. That kind of wavelength you need to be in a relationship, because if you have those kind of things, your relationship is definitely going to be superb and amazing. You love each and every day, both of you guys. Now the another major thing, when does this love can happen? You know how this love can happen? It can happen in many ways. Like there is something which called love at first sight, right? Actually a man only needs just 3 seconds to fall in love with a girl, and in same goes to a girl. If you take a girl, she needs only 10 seconds to fall in love with a man. What is the difference is, like we love many things, like I love chocolate, I love this movie, I love this actor, and lot of things, because many things which we do actually is because we love those things, especially because in everything and everything which we do, like what we write, what we written, and what we do, all these things which we actually do is like we love them, we love to do them. So how a love can happen is the one of the important thing. Like if a two persons meet each other, and first of all they will find like they both have a good understanding and good wavelength between both of them. Like if some issues come, the other will motivate them when they are depressed, and same goes in vice versa also. So by that in meantime will their relationship is grow. Once their relationship start growing, they'll become more best friends, besties, BFFs forever, and all sort of thing. Like once you will get a feeling like whenever you are in a trouble or some issues will happen, the first person name which comes in our mind will be them. Because if I love someone totally and madly and deeply in love, when a issue which has come, I will totally like to share that particular issue with that person, because he or she will only comes to in my mind when I have an in my trouble or something like that. Because they actually influence us, and also they can actually motivate us, and they can make our problems solve. So like that the good relationship will be happens, because the understanding and trust and the mutual benefits between these both person which can happen between a two person interaction, smile and all sort of things, a true love is born from there. So how you can stay in a relationship, because this is the important part, because once you fail in this, you'll be keep failing in this. The major issue is like you need to water it from its root and nutrate your relationship, else definitely it is going to fail. Because even in your in a relationship also, you need to think about like what are the mistakes which you will do. You need to keep sharing everything with your partner, because the main issues and problem will only start from that. Just think about like a scenario, if you done a particular mistake or something like that, and you just hide from your partner, and you hide from the person you he or she totally cares about you. The thing is actually happen from that person like feel like he or she is keeping secrets from me. That can only make a bad decision and also a bad problems. So what we need to do is like we need to share, and we need to start saying sorry. If you done a mistake, there is not at all a problem. You need to, whatever the thing is, if it's a good or bad, keep sharing at them, because in the future that will definitely help you. Else it will, you will just feel like okay, I will lie for now. Especially don't ever lie in a relationship, because sooner or later it's definitely going to be a grave mistake for yourself itself, and also it can end up a breaking up of a relationship also. So you need to trust your partner and share the whatever the issues which has happened to you. You guys need to keep sharing with them, both of you guys. So if you do that, you can build a really good strong relationship in that. And also the another important part is like you don't need to limit them. Limitation is the major problem in every relationship. I know, because you love them, you just feel like that okay, if they go with her friends, or he or she have a girl or boyfriend, okay, she is not going to give me a care or all sort of stuff. You will see a WhatsApp status, and you will see the pictures with the others and their friends and blah 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 stuff. First of all, the primary rule, don't limit anyone. Just think about like you are in a jail, okay, or you are in a prison. Both are same, I know, obviously. So what you already want, you are in a caged cell. You will always feel like you are a isolated person inside that cell, and you will just feel like you are suffocating in that particular thing. That is also just like you will feel in a relationship which have a limitation also. I know, because both are selfish between like, because their care and love make them selfish. But the thing is actually you don't need to make anything limit, because if you limit, like they will also feel like they are inside a prison in the relationship or love which they are currently in. That can make more complicated problems. So you need to be aware about that. Don't limit them. You know them, like he or she is definitely love you. Make them enjoy the time with their friends, family, or whatever the things, because you actually know they're definitely going to comes back. Just think about the Justin Timberlake, whatever it goes and comes back, that song itself. That's a perfect song, I can tell you, in this present scenario. So you need to be keep aware about those stuff. Like, you don't need to limit any person to do anything in your life, because think about yourself. Like, I want to do whatever the things I like, because whatever the things with which if I like particular thing, I like to go out with my friends. And if one person like come and say me like, don't go with your friends, how do you feel? That exactly, you need to think in their own way also. Like, just picture this scenario in your mind. Like, if you are them or the person you care about, how do you feel if you get same request from your person whoever you like? For me, like, I will feel like, okay, he or she is actually restricting me from something. You don't need to do that. Don't restrict them. Just picture the scenario that you are in that particular position, and you will feel like how hard it will be. Because if you don't do this, your relationship is going to be totally great and totally fine. Else, time by it will getting you and make you more hurt. You'll hurt yourself, my friend, because they will start cheating on you. Because you don't need to blame them, because once we restrict them, and we start with small restriction, and again the restriction is gone to higher level. So definitely anyone is not going to stay in that particular rule. There is no rule in a love or relationship. You need to understand each other and you need to love each other. So there is no rule in that. So definitely they will cheat. It's happened. Trust me, it's from my personal opinion. I was on the same track before. So you need to keep all these kind of things in your mind if you're in a relationship, because it will totally help you in a very good healthy relationship. And you need to give them and feel them, make better and understand them. Definitely, I will trust you. You are going to be successful in your love, whatever, and the relationship between your friends, family, or your loved ones, etc. etc. So as a conclusion, I just want to tell you these words. Love is the only thing which we can't explain. That is the only feeling you need to experience. That's it, guys. So, if you guys disagree with my views and thought about this love perspective, you definitely have a dislike button right there. You can smash that dislike button anywhere and everyone. So if you still like this video, you can definitely like this video, and you can subscribe to our channel, because it really helps us to make more videos like this. And also there is a bell button right there. You can smash them also, and you can share this video with your friends. So I can also get more inspiration and also more view about your thoughts and other things. And also you can comment your opinion, like what you are thinking about your perspective of love. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. What are the things which I previously said? That's it. So stay safe, guys. Stay awesome. You know, punch it.
That's it? Seriously, this guy? Is this making any sense? Bullshit, my total time waste. Crap you. Bullshit video. I know what love is. I'm gonna smash my dislikes everywhere. Dislike. Okay. Yeah, let me call my baby. Hello, baby. I love you so much. No, you just try to understand, please. Without you can't live. I don't know what to do. Please understand me, please. No, don't hang up. Why this is happening? Punch it. Fuck.